Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. Today I'm planting some potato and I'm just digging up an area that I can plant them today. I already have the potato that I cut up. I'm going to show you how I cut them up in pieces and I'm going to plant them. So right now I'm just doing some digging right at this moment. There's one thing with potato, they love the earth to be soft and they also love the water not to settle in their root. So the water must be drained. So I'm just going to show you guys how I plant potato, how I prepare the bed and how I plant. You see I dig up the whole area like a bank, then I dig out the center and I soften up the center. Okay, so now we have the center here. I'm not gonna show you to go through the whole thing with you guys, so I'm gonna just do one bed and show you what I'm talking about. This is the potato I cut in pieces, different pieces. You see, once you see this, it's ready to go. This one I could have get 3 more out of it, but that's okay. So now I'm gonna be planting. You turn this part upside up like that and you cover it. You come a little further, you plant like that and you cover it. Potato love the earth to be soft at all time. They don't like it to be hard, because if it's hard it back the potato from producing. Because if the potato bearing, it needs soft or that it could push and the potato them could get bigger. So this is how you do it, guys, the best way, and you want to harvest a lot. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.